All right, good evening, everybody. I just want to talk about a couple things um, with regards to the discussion questions, as we've already completed two, and there's another one due again because I forgot that one was due this week. We'll wait until next Thursday for you to get that in, but make sure you get it in next Thursday. If you look at the discussion questions that we've done thus far, I want to start with the M2 discussion, which is real number subsets. All right, and you'll see the topic and everything we do. Just want to focus on the rubric. A couple things from that. All right, one of them is, hold on. All right. List, mindful. All right. Okay, and it's basically, for the most part, this. All right. All right. So if we're doing that, share my screen. Okay. So now we're ready to go. So now if we look at it, all right, let me put this in. Wow, that's going to be really long. Okay. So what we're looking at is this. All right, if we look at the rubric, okay, the response to the classmates. All right, if we come down to here, we have all five of these things, all of which are worth 4 points. All right, so that's 20 points. So basically, if you don't respond, you're giving away 20 points right away. All right, other things to point out is up here, submitted early in the session before Thursday. What that means is if you, now not for this one, but for the remaining one, all right, by Thursday, please, in order to get the full 16 points. The other idea is make sure you follow the directions. So for example, it says ideas are clearly stated and include the use of the equation editor for mathematical symbols and notation. Make sure you follow the directions. All right. And those types of things. And what we're trying to do with these is we're trying to build on each other, build on what you say to help us all get a better understanding of the topics that we're introducing. All right. So let's stop presenting. All right. So make sure you keep that in mind as you progress through these. Don't forget, this being Saturday night, tomorrow night, modules 3 and 4, with the exception of the discussion question, need to be submitted. In addition to that, the test on module 1 through 3 needs to be done by tomorrow night at midnight. Now, please make sure if you miss a deadline, you don't just go and do the assignment, the quiz, or the test without reaching out to me first. This is going to stay a 0. I get it. Life happens. Sometimes you miss things. A couple of you have done it already. It happens, unfortunately. A couple things we're trying to watch out for. Number one, it doesn't happen every week. And number two, make sure you reach out to me first. We have an understanding, because we would hate for you to come to the end of the marking period and have you have a 0 in the grade book when you said you did it. So please make sure you reach out to me before simply completing the assignments. All right. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your weekend and make sure you get everything done by tomorrow night. Take care.